Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to fix the problem which you see when you try to create a pin. If you are looking at the screen, when you go to create a pin you get this error message, sorry, this pin isn't working for your organization's resources. Tap or click here to fix. So in this video I'll show you how to fix this problem. I'll close this. You need to open File Explorer and then click on this PC at the left hand side. Click on local disk C, then double click on Windows, then look for service profiles and double click on it to open it, then double click on local services, click on continue if you get a message. And now we will have to look for a folder called app data. Normally it will not be visible until unless we check an option show hidden files and folders. So up at the top you can click on view and there will be an option hidden items. You can put a check in the box and then you will see the folder called app data. So double click on it to open it. Now double click on local. Now double click on Microsoft. So right click on Ngc and click on delete. You may get this message, folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action. If you get this error message, I have some more steps to perform, but if you are able to delete this folder, then your problem will be fixed here only. Now people who are not able to delete this folder, I have some additional steps for them. So please perform the steps I'm going to perform in this video and hopefully you will be able to delete this folder. You just need to right click on the folder and click on properties. Now in properties, click on the security tab, then click on advanced. Click on change. Now type the current username you are logged into. So in order to see that, you can click on the start and click on your username icon. So I am currently logged into a user account that is called technical tips. So I will write the name technical tips over here. Then click on check names, click OK, put a check in the box says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, click on apply. You'll get this prompt. You can simply click on yes and then click OK on the next prompt and then click OK again, then click OK on the property window, and now if you double click it you'll be able to see what exactly in there, and hopefully if you right click on it you'll be able to delete it. So that's how you can delete that folder after giving it proper permissions. So I will close this and hopefully it will fix your problem. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye bye.